on average, if you have been suffering from a skin health concern or any other health concern for at least a year, then on average, the recovery time or the reversal time, provided you follow our advice and recommendations fully, will be approximately a month. Now, with this lady, this is a real life case study. How long will it take to reverse my psoriasis? This is an interesting question which I'll be covering on this video because we have come across many people who have come to see us for their health concerns, for their skin concerns, and they've often asked, how long will it take? Now, before I carry on, please do give me a thumbs up, like on this video, and also share it with your friends, people whom you know that are concerned about their skin health, in particular those who are suffering from psoriasis. However, if you're also suffering from pimples, acne, eczema, rashes, for example, this video is also relevant to you. Or if you're someone who just wants to know how to actually maintain healthy glowing skin like I have, then watch this video because I'm going to share with you the answers to how long will it take. Now, it all depends on how severe your skin concern is, because if you have, for example, pimples versus having severe psoriasis, then the severe psoriasis will take longer to reverse or heal. It also depends on how serious you are in taking the actions that we are and following our recommendations as to getting your psoriasis or your skin health concerns better. We have a free guide called the 6 Proven Secrets to Improve Your Psoriasis in as little as 8 weeks. This is a real life case study of one of our customers. That was her before skin photo, and this is the one after only a few weeks of following our recommendations. This guide is free. Please do request for it and read our secrets that we've shown in there, we've shared in there. In addition, we also have a Psoriasis Expert Secrets course, which you can learn and watch at your own convenience. However, to fast track the recovery or the reversal or the healing of your psoriasis or any other skin concerns, we highly recommend that you book in for a free discovery call with us so that we can find out your specific conditions, your specific lifestyle, and we'll be able to recommend certain tips that will help. However, if you want to have more in-depth knowledge of what we can do, then we will, after the discovery call, recommend that you book in for a full consultation with us, a more in-depth consultation with us, so that we can guide you further as to how you can fast track that recovery. So we have done research that on average, if you have been suffering from a skin health concern or any other health concern for at least a year, then on average, the recovery time or the reversal time, provided you follow our advice and recommendations fully, will be approximately a month. Now, with this lady, this is a real life case study. This lady was suffering from this sort of psoriasis for over 40 years. We got her these results within 8 weeks. Why? Because we had solutions that she could implement, follow. She did not follow it fully, as we can understand. Most people will not follow the advice fully because life gets in the way, time gets in the way. However, she did follow a lot of our advice, and she got results from 40 years of suffering within 8 weeks. How amazing is that? So whatever your skin condition is, whatever your health condition is, do reach out to us. Do not suffer alone, because we have the solutions. We can guide you, and all we need you to do is cooperate so that you can get into better health and improve your psoriasis at least see some results, some improvements within weeks. Thank you for watching.